How's it going, everyone? If you are like me, you are in the same boat as me. I was using my headphones on a normal day, restarted my computer, and all of a sudden, boom! The audio stopped coming out of my headphones, and the microphone was not recognized on Discord nor my computer anymore. And that honestly sucked. I tried for an hour or two resetting, uninstalling, installing all the drivers that were related to the Realtek stereo audio system, right? With Windows 10, but I've heard this is a very common problem. So I've got a solution if you have a newer computer with a USB Type-C port. So watch this. I unplug it, computer recognizes it. Plug it back in, computer still recognizes it. I press OK or do all the adjustments I want, no audio, no microphone. But the Type-C thing bypassed it all. So it's a 3.5 millimeter jack going straight into a Type-C. So I plugged it into the Type-C port. It does not recognize, right? It just says you have unplugged it from the last time we unplugged it. But when I actually try, it genuinely does work. It cost me about $12 for this accessory. It's by Google. I bought it from BestBuy. You can get one for $4. 3.5 millimeters to Type-C. I got the Walmart one. It lasted me about 3 months before the audio started getting crackly. So it worked. For $12, I fixed everything. I saved me the hassle of permanently resetting my computer. And now I have both audio and microphone input on my laptop. So I am happy again. I think this is the only fix that I found so far that worked. I've tried searching way too many YouTube videos, and it just would not work. Your second option could be to buy a USB accessory off of Amazon or another website that takes the 3.5 millimeter into the USB port, and then you might have to install some software to have it recognized on the computer. Me personally, this just works better. And now my 3.5 millimeter jack could possibly be physically damaged, or it could be the software. I'm not resetting my computer to find out. If you want, you could go ahead, but this is the easiest fix. Thank you for watching.